Okie doke. Now we are making our way through, and now we're going to take 1/4 and divide it into 3 equal pieces. So you're going to take a 1/4 size piece. All right, so 1/4 of a whole, and you're going to divide it into 3 equal size pieces. And your answer will tell you what one of those pieces is called. All right, so if you took a fourth and divided it into 3 equal size pieces, what would that fractional piece be called? So let's go ahead and try and use leave, change, flip. Remember, if you set up the problem to begin with, it's going to be 1/4 divided by 3/1, right? So leave, change, and flip, and then you can solve. All right, so if you did leave, change, flip, your first number stayed the same, so it stayed 1/4. All right, and then, I don't know why that's moving. Sorry, I'm going to clear this and start over. 1/4 divided by 3/1. So if we leave the first thing alone, right, that stays 1/4. We change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and then we flip the second fraction, right? Leave, change, flip. And when you change or flip the second fraction, you put the numerator on the bottom and the denominator on top. So instead of looking at 1/4 divided by 3, now we're looking at 1/4 times 1/3. So once again, it's top times top, 1 times 1, bottom times bottom, 4 times 3, and you get your answer, 1/12. All right. So essentially what we just did is we took 1/4, so this shaded part, right? And then we took that shaded part and we cut that shaded part into 3 equal pieces. All right. So each one of those pieces is 1/12. All right. Because basically what we're looking at is 3/12, which is equal to 1/4. Right. So each piece is 1/12. That's why 1/4 divided into 3 equal pieces will give you a 1/12 sized piece. All right. Moving forward to the picture. So here's, they're showing you 1/4 in total, right? This right here is 1/4. So if this is 1/4, that means 2 of them would make 2/4. It means 3 of them would make 3/4. And then obviously the fourth one makes 4/4 or 1/2, right? So, and then if we took that 1/4 and then we split it into 3 pieces, right? What that gives us is 12ths, because if we split everything into 3 pieces, we would be looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces, right? 3 in the first fourth, 4, 5, and 6 in the second fourth, 7, 8, and 9 in the third fourth, 10, 11, 12 in the fourth fourth. So one of these pieces is equal to 1/12, and that's why 1/4 divided into 3 pieces gives us 1/12. All right, finally, let's take a look at just these. First thing I want you to do is set them up. So I want you to leave, change, flip them, and then we'll go over what the problems are when they're set up, and then let's finally solve them. All right, welcome back. So your first problem should be 1/6 times 1/2. All right, because if this was a fraction and you flipped it, it would turn to 1/2. So remember, leave, change, flip. All of your first fractions this time are going to stay completely the same, because yesterday we would turn whole numbers into fractions first. Today we don't have to do that. So we're leaving 1/2, we're changing division to multiplication, and then if this is a fraction, we're flipping it. We're finding the reciprocal, which is 1/3. On this one, we have 1/3. We're changing the division sign to multiplication. If this is 3/1, once again, we're flipping it to get 1/3. And then finally, the last one, leave, change, flip. We leave the first fraction alone. We change the division sign to multiplication, and then we are flipping 4/1 into 1/4. All right. Now go ahead and solve these. Make sure they're simplified. They should be, because they're unit fractions. And then we'll find the answers. Welcome back. Top times top, bottom times bottom. 1/6 divided into 2 pieces gives you 1/12 size pieces. Top times top 1, bottom times bottom 6. So 1/2 divided into 3 pieces gives you 1/6 size pieces. Top times top 1, bottom times bottom 9. So 1/3 divided into 3 pieces gives you 1/9. Top times top 1, 2 times 4 is 8.